Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see what today is going to bring. You have the Nikkei up around 616 points. You're a little bit chirpy. We have the high of the day right up here, 26,819. So let's go, let's go. Hey, Benjamin. I emailed my contact over at Perdia, which I contacted you about, and sent you the screenshot of the email they sent you showing your email address. So if something's going on with your email, I don't know what to do about it. But I've seen the copy of where they sent you the email on Friday, and they re-emailed you again tonight. So I don't know where it's at within your email, but I even checked the address. Oh, you're on a gold short? Oh, what's gold doing? What is Mr. GC doing? Is it moving tonight? Is it moving? Hey, where are you trying to take the gold short down to? Where? Oh, where? I see crude oil is down a little bit this evening. At least on the watch list it is. Crude oil went down, popped up here a little bit. Yeah, Asian session has been slow lately. Has been slow. Not up a whole lot tonight yet. I think I've only fired off 2 trades. I'm trying to see. So we have no deal, no talks. We're going to have talks. JD Vance not going to go. Oh, JD Vance is going to go. The deadline is going to be Tuesday. Oh, no. Deadline is going to be Wednesday. Oh, man. What a hot mess. So we're really hostage to any type of headline risk coming out from Iran and whatnot. Deal, no deal, all that fun stuff. That's going to be a tough one. It's going to be a tough one. We don't know when the news comes out. We're going to trade. It could be good for us, or it could be really, really bad. Trying to aim for the POC. Assuming you mean on gold. Let's go luck. Hey, well, on that gold short, just know that right now we're above the value area high. So if I was looking to target that point of control, a higher probability scenario would be wait and see if we can get below 48.35. And then go for it. Then I would, not you, but me, I would shoot for 48.27 as a target, and then the point of control. If I was playing the gold trade, which I'm not, but if I was. So fun. Markets were going down. We had the ES more so than the NASDAQ, but ES made it all the way down to a third deviation band, bounced back up almost towards VWAP. And what about NASDAQ? NASDAQ came right down to the second band, over through the VWAP. Not quite back to the second band above us yet. Not yet. Could still be in the cards. So we shall see. Well, let's see what news we have out now. Vance to travel to Pakistan. That was right out a minute ago. Vance to travel to Pakistan on Tuesday for Iran talks. All right, that's a pretty good little spike right through session highs. If I would have been on it. Nice tunes. Yeah, I can't hear them. So I have no idea what's even playing. No idea. I wouldn't mind getting short up here. You look going up there and making that high. If you look, we clearly had divergence on the delta. Hey, Brew, what's up? That could have been good for a quick little scalp. It's kind of funny. Hey, so look at the VWAP real quick on the ES. Third deviation band down to about the 2.5 band up. And then we have the NASDAQ. We went all the way above the upper band, the third band. Went from the second band all the way above the third band. Huh. Very interesting. We do have the point of control down here at 730. We have the P point. We are above value area high at the moment. So trying to fade it would be a little bit more on the aggressive side. Again, there's probably gonna be a lot more optimism as we get closer to the talks and all that fun stuff. Oil didn't really budge though. Oil's still down $1.09 at the moment. Kind of curious, did that spike move gold? I definitely don't see crude oil moving. Yeah, crude oil didn't move much there. Look at gold. Not really move a whole lot there either. You got a 9 count up here as well. Do I dare? Do I dare look to play that down a little bit? I think I am. Let's go with it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So we can get the first trade of the night fired out. Hey, Raj, good evening. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Yeah, advance to travel to Pakistan. Hey, Jesse, what's up? What's up? Yeah, good look out. Hit that thumbs up. Hey, Jesse, did you get your email yet? Did you get your email tonight? I did notice a little bit of aggressive trade still. We have the high day right here above us. And the NASDAQ and the S&P. Ooh, I don't know about NASDAQ now. NASDAQ as of today. Ooh, did the NASDAQ close the gap? I don't think so. 840.75. Nah, we missed it by a few points. Just missed it by a few points.
Okay, so we have to talk about oil and how it's.
Oh. I have to talk about oil. I'm gonna watch it after the stream, Raj. I got it up in the tab. See what they have to say about oil. Yeah, continuation or reversal. Today was basically an inside day for the S&P. Nice little inside day. So we'll see if tomorrow ends up being a breakout or breakdown from today's range. I feel a lot better if we just heard him come down. So if we look over here at the ES. ES isn't that far away either. Let's do this. Current. Okay, here's a high of the night on the ES. 160.75. We almost hit it. And I'd be happy with a move down towards that center line. It's at 804 right now. We get down there, I'll be plenty happy. I'll be more than happy to get out. Yeah, who and what's driving the markets? It's the machines. The machines are running the markets. Hey, good evening. Yeah, VWAP's at 803. See if we get down there or not. Maybe we do. Maybe JP Morgan's running the markets. Let's see. Hey, Cheryl, are you saying you're down 800 bucks or you're 800 bucks away from passing? Scam can scam candle off to scam candle. Hey, Cheryl, if you think about canceling it, if it was me and I had the thought, hey, I might just cancel this one and buy a new one, what I would do is go aggressive on it, knowing that you have a shot at passing, but you're probably going to blow it up. If you're going to cancel it anyways, I would just try to hurry up and get there. Hurry up and get to the finish line before the 25th. Either you pass or you do not pass. If you pass, you have no other fees associated with that account. Yeah, we might just be getting ready to take out the highs again. Go ahead and fill the gap from last night. Yeah, don't do it all one trade. Definitely don't do it one trade. But too many scam candles tonight. Scam candle just got me. And I look, the regression channel is going to try to face and go back up. We haven't filled the gap yet. Are we getting ready to go ahead and fill the gap? Hey, what did I say that gap price was? I really don't want to be down. So 840.75. I'm a little bit above that right now. All right, I'm going to front run it. Market maker algos. Tomorrow's max range 27,162. Yeah, we're not far away from that. Heading over to for some horse racing bets. I'm not gambling. I'm just betting on the horses. I got this under control. I don't think we have any news tonight. Nikkei's up 674. Keeps trying to plow up here a little bit. Let me go see. Make sure we have no news. Nah. We have no headline news out tonight. Tomorrow morning, we do have a little bit of news, though. Hey, Brian, good evening. Full minute behind. Oh, wow. Wonder how that happened, Jesse. I'm going to change the settings. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, depends on how, do you like going for quicker scalps? You go down to 2-1. 2-1 or 4-2, something like that. Probably on the ES. Unless you get a crazy fast day. Then you can raise it up a little bit. 3-1. And Jesse, you know that 3-1 will make that candle, it won't look the same. So the Ninja candles, they have fake opens. These are not like legit opens where the candle opens. The fake open. So if the first number is 2, the second number being 1 will open in the middle of that candle. It can't really there, but let's say you have a 4, then a 4-2. The 2 open right in the middle of the prior candle. Look, all these candles open right in the middle of the prior candle. Just helps you identify the trend a little bit better. Hey Jesse, on the ES you use a 6-3? That's pretty crazy. It's quite large. At least for me. For me it is. Use 20 range footprint chart for the ES. Wow, that's pretty big. On the ES, I usually go anywhere from a 6 to 10 tick if I'm going to use a range chart for the footprint. Yeah, Cheryl, you got to try to hit 1,500 each day. 1,500 stop, 1,500 stop, 1,500 stop. So in Ninja just make the second number like half or whatever the first number is. Unless you want a different ratio, you can make it look drastically different. I'll show you in a minute once I'm out of this trade. Oh, come on. Closed it. Now I'm down for the night. You son of a biscuit. So I've taken a total of 4 trades tonight. 2 before the stream and 2 on the stream, and now I'm red. Fantastic. I went short, lost money, went long, lost money. That's funny. Gold's dumping. Let's see. It's going down a little bit. I won't say gold's dumping yet. That's funny. That's funny. Gonna go right back up now. Yeah, I don't think I traded it anymore after the stream today. Do we go back down or are we going to pop up? You're long one ES. $720 or 7,200. Well, let's go. Let's go. My ES levels aren't updated yet. 7,200, I got call resistance up there. You can make the case that we're going to go up there. That would be another new all-time high. That pushes to a new all-time high. This is going to be pathetic. Hopefully it's not going to be one of those nights. Maybe it will be, maybe it won't. I wouldn't mind seeing the S&P go back down towards the point of control. 7137.75. Definitely would not mind seeing that. Yeah, New York, I agree. New York, I think, is the best. For sure. Six 26,478 is a point of control on the weekly. We have the point of control at 80 or view app at 804. Now you was 2 minutes. Now you were 2 minutes behind. That's crazy. What are you doing, Jesse? I did short NASDAQ again. Short NASDAQ again. Let's see if we can get another loss here. We have VWAP at 805 now. See if we can come back up there. We're going to finally break out through the high. Tokyo sucks for you. That's sucking for me right now. Keep trying to force the trade. Rinse and repeat. Hey, Jesse, I keep shorting the bottom of the range, buying the top. Oh, yeah, a little bit of movement. We do have the Nikkei up quite a bit. Gold's trying to come down. Nikkei is up 619. HSI will open up here in about 24 more minutes. Oh, Eric, I don't know if Jesse's coming on or not. He's probably still at work. Or maybe he's at home. I don't know. Hey, Jesse, are you home from work yet? Jesse usually doesn't join us right at the beginning. You didn't see it. Hey, Jesse, are you home from work yet? Or are you still at work? Currently stuck on 4 or 5 in traffic. California don't have no traffic. Hey, BK, good evening. And I don't know if you guys saw what Tradeify did today. You can buy 5 accounts with Tradeify with 1 click now. At least for the 25 and 50K accounts. So you can stack it. If you buy 5, you get an additional 5% off. So you can get 40% off plus an additional 5%. That's pretty good. Oh man, we got that liquidity up there on the ES. It's not a biscuit. So 63-ish, 225 contracts, 165, 129 contracts. See what we have on NASDAQ for liquidity. Anything. 875, we have 52 contracts. Then 950, we have 50. What about to the downside? First area where we have 50 contracts or more would be 26,600. Hey, Gio, what's up? Good evening. 7160 is coming R1. 7160. Let's go see. That's funny because on the ES I have 7180 as R1. Frank, wonder how your R1's different. Yeah, Avis. Avis is crazy. Hey, what's the ticker symbol for Avis again? Was it car? I was gonna say car. I was like, nah, that's not right. Look at 8. Holy crap. Wow. It was up another $114 today. That is nuts. It's not sustainable, but doesn't mean they won't keep on pumping it. Jeez. I feel like the market just quit moving. I took a little bit of profits. I was up for the night. Then just sitting there holding me underwater in this trade. Boom, boom. Looking to short it. Hey, Raj, are you going to short it with options? Or are you going to short the actual stock? Yeah, I saw that. Apple's going to have a new CEO. Tim Cook's going to be in some other role. Hey, Raj, that's probably the safer bet. That way you can only lose whatever you pay for the puts. Executive Cherry, I heard something like that. So 805 is VWAP. I'm hoping to go a little bit below that. I like to see back at low of the night. Hey, so what's the volume been like looking like on Avis? Is it monster volume or not? Oh yeah, it's had some volume come into it. Wow. That thing's a beast. Gold's still trying to go down here. I haven't looked at SMCI in a hot minute. I'm trying to work on that little gap down right there. I'd love to take this all the way down to 730. That would be fantastic. I'll move my limit down a little bit. 730 would be nice. We get down there, that would be fantastic. I just don't think we make it all the way down there tonight while we're on stream. I don't want to go to bed with a NQ trade open. Which is funny. I can go to bed with the ES trade on, but the NQ, I'll have nightmares. It'll be horrible. Just go on down there. What's the range so far tonight? So 82 point range. Doesn't look like 82 points. S&P only 10 and 3/4 point range. Well, hey, Brian, so it depends. So to day trade with, you have lower day trading margins. So on the MES right now, which is a micro S&P, Ninja charges $50. Some brokers, they're anywhere from 40 to $100 on the MES. Ninja's 50 right now. The MNQ, the NASDAQ, would be $100 per contract. So $1,000 in a live account. If you're trading 2 MNQ, that only give you $800 of drawdown. Yeah, so overnight, so you could trade it at 6 p.m., hold it overnight, but you have to close it out by 4:15, 4:30 or so the next day. So if you're in a trade and you still liked it, what you can do, if you're like swinging for a bigger target, just close it out and then reopen the position at 6. And that way you're only paying the day trading margin. Let's see if they can get on back there. For at least 6 months. Backtesting does a lot of good. I like to go over all my trades every day too. And look at a lot of the mistakes I made and things I could have done better. See this NASDAQ to melt real quick. Just right on down there. I think if it hits this target, I'll be back to session highs if it could hit my target. It's a big if. We do have some untested pointing controls below us. NASDAQ, we have one from today. S&P, we have one down here from today. And notice we've already been above value area high on the S&P and on the NASDAQ. Now, unfortunately, I'm short while we're still above value area high, so it is a little bit more aggressive. But so we shall see. Right back up. We have VWAP at 805. Not really liking this. I like it a lot better when we're down. Yeah. Than where we're at right now. This is horrible. Yeah, so one MNQ contract is $200 per point. So 50 cents a tick. I don't know. Hey, Raj, so we never filled the gap from Sunday yet. I keep thinking that we might go back up there. I was like, dang it. As I'm in a short trade. Oh, hold on a second. Let's see. Let's see. I think Jesse's going to be on here. Let's see what Jesse has to say. Let's see. I already closed it. I'm not playing that game. I do not want to get down big. Let's see what Jesse has to say with all his wisdom. All right, there's Jesse.
I don't know if I'll call it wisdom.
Hey, you just passed a new account.
What's up?
You just passed a new account.
Yep.
So you're good.
Is everybody hearing me all right?
Hmm.
My stream's behind again. Jeez. Sorry. Let me mute that. Yeah, so passed the account. Well, I thought I passed the account Friday, but I missed it by $2.50.
Oh, that's funny.
0.01%.
That's funny.
Yeah. Nope, can't hear Jesse, he says. Oh, well, that's a joke because you heard me asking. All right. Yeah, so I didn't miss I just miscalculated because I knew one of my days, what was it, Monday, I think I went over the consistency rule. So I knew I had to make a little bit more. I just miscalculated it by $2.50, which is crazy because I could have just Friday was so easy. I only took like one trade to pass. Okay, well, I could have just held that trade for a couple bucks more. So I missed today's trading. Actually, I had to trade one more trade today, and so now it's passed. But it's been so long, I don't remember how TPT does it. But I think I won't be able to trade the pro account until tomorrow morning.
Probably tomorrow morning.
Yeah. So that's the good news.
Yeah, now I'm down. So I've placed 5 trades tonight. 2 wins, 3 losses. So,
well, earlier I was liking how your chart, it broke it now, but I was liking how your chart was just kind of in an ascending range on your 6-3 Renko bars. And I was like, I'm going to turn on my screen, just go long on the bottom of that range and go short. So I'm in a long, but then it broke. I took a little bit of heat on it, but I'm green now. So we'll see how this plays out. What's up, String B?
what's up, String B? Hey, you're not trading that TPT account, right?
No, I can't.
Oh.
No. Nope, I'm on sim only. I was gonna try to get in that duck race earlier today because I wanted to choose. Wasn't first place got to choose the 150K or the 50K, right?
Or 150K Lucid, 50K Lucid, or 50K Perdia. They got no
I was
choice.
trying to get that 150K Lucid so I can get back in the Lucid game, but I had to go to work, so I missed the duck race. Darn it. Next time.
Slacker, see, work's getting in the way.
I know. I tried to tell my boss that, but
Taking ditches. And we haven't filled the gap from Sunday night yet. We're close. We haven't filled it yet.
yeah, that's right. We still haven't. It's that purple line on my chart right up there.
Yes,
yeah, we never got there.
Nope. And tomorrow. So Vance is going to Pakistan. They're gonna have talks again. They're gonna have talks. They're not gonna have talks. We're gonna have the best deal ever. The straight's open, the straight's closed. So who knows?
Eric, no, Mike does not give me insider duck treatment. I wish. Boy, oh boy, I'd have all kinds of accounts. But I do have a trick up my sleeve if I ever do get in a duck race. It's been a while.
What's that gonna be?
I can't tell you, otherwise it wouldn't be a little insider secret.
All right, we're gonna have to start doing donkey races now.
Oh boy. Hey, as long as it's an animal, my little trick will work.
All right, we're gonna do cars. Cars or motorcycles?
What is I just saw something I was going to ask about. So on my volume profile chart, I keep a running 5-day what do you call it, on the right hand side?
Composite?
Yeah, composite of the last 5 days. And that POC is above us. It's about halfway between where we're at right now and that closing that gap. So that's where the POC is on the NQ anyways. Let me see on the ES. Oh no, that's ES. Oh, NQ is way below us. So the composite POC is way below us the last 5 days on NQ.
All right, short it again. I didn't feel like I'd given them enough money yet. So I shorted it again.
Hey, Raj, I like that idea. The duck that comes in last place is the winner.
It's hard to see though because you can't see all the ducks.
Yeah.
So today I forgot to pull out the phone because like, oh, we're not doing 3, we're only doing 2. I just got messed up and I was like, crap, I had to turn off the rewind. I had to turn back on the rewind feature, log in, because I forgot to hit like on the channel too. Log into the second channel through this channel, look at it, rewind it, and see who won second.
Yeah, I'm surprised that duck race app doesn't show you like digitally the results of the race.
Hey, they say if you're not first, you're last, so it doesn't matter. I know it would be nice if they did. Best loser wins. Yeah, that's fact. That is a fact.
What's up, Atomic? I missed you sneak in there.
Yeah, what's up, Atomic?
Total Dork says sound is good. Okay, Dork, I think you've fallen behind on the stream too. I was a couple minutes behind earlier. Make sure you hit live on the stream.
Hey, were you on your computer or your phone?
Both. So my computer is hooked up to a dedicated 2 gig fiber optic circuit, and that's the only computer and device on that. And it was falling behind too. So I don't know what's going on. My phone, I tried my Wi-Fi, which is through Comcast Xfinity. It was falling behind. I turned off Wi-Fi to use my LTE through AT&T, and that fell behind. So now I've tested 3 different internets on 2 different devices. So I don't know what.
So it's got to be your house.
Maybe it's a California thing.
Yep, California.
Because nobody else, you'd see people commenting about that if it was friggin', yeah, must just be me.
The network guy can't get it going right. I think you need a new network. You need to upgrade to like 10 gig. That's the problem.
Actually, you know what? I think they upgraded me to 5. Let me do a speed test. I forgot about that. Speed test. Okay, so you're in a short. I'm in a long. Someone's about to get run over. Just
me.
Is it going to
It'll
take
be me. It'll be me.
5 minutes or 2 hours?
No, it's gonna be me. I hope we go back down by the view ass. I'm like, we're probably gonna fill that gap. Hey, Rapid, what's up? Yeah, it's definitely slow. Got a little bit of movement early on. Fired off 2 trades and then came on stream, fired off 5, and now I'm down. Or fired off 5 total for the night, and I'm down. Which that might be good. If I struggle tonight, in theory, tomorrow should be easier.
In theory.
In theory, I have had several sessions or just get messed up. Today was pretty good. Today wasn't too bad. It wasn't like one of my biggest days, but it wasn't too bad. I never went red today. So.
Raj says, yeah, I know Comcast. All coaxial is shared with your neighborhood. I know that, Raj. I'm a network engineer. Remember, buddy.
So maybe one of your neighbors are watching one of those naughty sites.
No, I have what I meant was I have a separate dedicated fiber, business class fiber that only my computer is hooked up to.
I'm done.
What happened? Did it rip?
I just got out. I lost money.
Oh, I better mind my target here. Let's see. I might just close this too. I'm lucky to be up 100.
Hey, I've been long and been short in this whole area. I lost on every trade.
Dude, you got to buy the bottom and sell the top.
Oh, buying the top, selling the bottom. I really think we want to fill that gap from Sunday night.
Yeah. But that's what they want us to think, right? So who knows?
We only got a couple of points away from it. Look on the NASDAQ,
yeah, right at the end of right before the close, it looks like it. Oh, I'm looking at ES. Sorry, let me switch to
840.75. And the high.
Oh,
tonight,
that's real close. Boy, we got real close.
Yeah, 838.5. So it's like 2 points from the high.
Yeah, you think it probably wants to get there.
Do some throttle on the internet for you. Trying to figure out how to get more taxes.
Oh shoot! I keep interrupting myself. So back to that. Yeah. So Raj and anybody else who cares, I got a big household, a lot of family, a lot of TVs, smart devices, all that crap. So I have 2 separate internets. I don't ever want my trading computer to be slowed down by everything else. So I have dedicated business class fiber on just the trading computer. Everything else in the house runs off Comcast, which is pretty fast too, but it's not dedicated and it's shared with the whole neighborhood. So during COVID, that was fun when everybody was home. Well, I wish I was a baller. It's just one of those expenses, you know. I gotta have it. I don't want to. I can't tell you guys how many times Comcast has gone down. So
I can't believe they allowed you guys to be on the internet during the pandemic. Come on.
That's right, Raj. And my business class fiber stuff is all. I have battery backups on the routers, the modems, everything, and my computer, of course, too. So even if the power goes out, I can still safely get myself out of a trade, get everything shut down, and blah blah blah.
Yeah, battery backups and everything myself.
Yeah. The one thing I don't have that you have is a whole house generator, which I want to get. And we have a pretty cool thing here because I have natural gas. Well, a lot of people probably have natural gas, but I have a hookup right where I would want to install the Generac, and that damn thing will kick on automatically and run off natural gas.
Hey, T-Coop, I didn't buy it yet. I'm looking. I'm going to be buying it any day. Any day.
Do I have a computer science degree? I do not. I took a different route, Eric. I do have a few certificates, though, in that field.
This SOB stops me out.
Nah, I think you're gonna. Are you front running that level? What was it?
Yeah, only by a couple ticks.
What is that level? Like 640?
Wait a minute. 840.5.
Yeah, my eyes are getting bad. 840. Yeah.
Well, I got in horrible place. I'm just chasing it. That's my problem. I'm chasing the market all around up here. I'm chasing it down, chasing it up, and I'm paying for it.
Well, if it gets up there, you'll get some of it back. I think it's going.
Before or after it stops me out? That's the $1 million question.
I mean, I'm looking at the chart from this afternoon. It's like I have a 15-minute volume profile chart, and it's just the second half of the day was just up and away. I was at work. I missed all of that.
Must be on the. One second. It didn't seem that up and away.
It's just grind
Maybe
up.
yeah, maybe from right there on the. I can see it.
So what? There must have been some news or something midday. I wonder what I missed.
This is ridiculous. Trump says we're not going to extend the deal. Oh, we're going to extend it one more day. We're not going to talk. We're going to talk.
I'm going long again.
Vance isn't going to go. Oh, Vance is going.
I just took a long from the tiny little fib level here, the 38.2. I was way late to it though.
Hey, T-Cube, so I went on their website. I don't see it on their website though. So get started. Let's see. All they have is the mini and the standard. And I was
What are you looking for?
Starlink.
No, but which model?
T-Cube is showing one with like a tripod, has 6-hour battery life.
Isn't the mini, that's the mini, but the tripod is an accessory maybe?
I can't remember. There's a video. I have it saved. I have to go back and watch it.
Oh, he says it's a third party. I'll have to check. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, that'd be pretty slick. Says deliveries within 2 to 3 weeks. I can't freaking check out over here. I gotta do it from my phone because you can't only do PayPal or. Oh, you know, I thought about I could do it PayPal.
We've got those gamma levels up above us on the NQ also.
Yeah. How about that call wall up there?
Yeah, we have got a combo. Let me see what it is. We got the combo level 2 and we got the level 1. Both of them sitting right up there at 858 and 859.
What it's saying is I need to move my target up.
I don't know. Man, this is slow. What the heck happened? They're waiting for something.
Yeah. Try and get my lunch money. Go look out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button if you guys and gals have not yet. Call Starlink sales. That. Yeah, definitely want the unlimited.
Okay, Raj says we touched the second standard deviation and reversed. But didn't we touch that too earlier, Raj, at the, when did we make that high?
We did down at the bottom too. Went from a second deviation band at the bottom all the way up to a third. Look, I'll show you it on my screen. Right there. There, whoop. Wait for the bombs to drop.
Yeah.
Yeah, we still got a little ways before that happens. Yeah, financial juice doesn't even have really anything either. Hey, Richard, what's up? Do I have a Lucid case key? Not that I'm aware of.
A lot of people have been asking about that since Lucid launched that thing. I think they're just preparing for new different type of promotional stuff that they're going to release in the future. That's my speculation on it. I don't think there's any way to unlock those cases yet.
Yeah, call a locksmith. Oh, T-Cube just sent me an email with that tripod.
Oh, okay, cool. Lucid says their affiliates have the case keys. I don't think so. Not yet. Well, I could be wrong. I'm not an affiliate, but I'm just speculating.
If I have the case key, I don't know where it's at. I misplaced it. So I have no idea. Let's go look. I'll go look around, see if I can find it. I don't think so.
Brian knows a guy who got a free account out of it. Oh, that's cool. That would be kind of cool if it's kind of like a, a random this or that, and affiliates can give out keys whenever.
I don't know how that works. I don't know where it would be at.
I haven't traded Lucid for it's been weeks now, right, Mike? I can't remember. I don't remember the last time I
still got some Lucid accounts to give away tomorrow.
So I'm gonna try to get in that duck race.
Yeah, I don't know where the key's at. You don't know the magic code? This market's ridiculously slow.
Mm-hmm.
Lack of volume. Well, hey, Raj, I don't need to dip lower yet. It needs to pop up here a little bit. This is going to stop me out again. Ridiculous.
I'm hearing sonar buyers. Let's see. They
it.
lost. They lost.
Oh boy, this is not a good night for me. I was up like 3 something. I'm down 440. Oh yeah.
Yeah, 440's one trade tomorrow.
Not for me. I mean, it could be, but I don't like being down. I'm going to be up tonight. I'm going to get it back tonight, hopefully. Or it's going to be a bad day.
Hold on, let me look at my market analyzer and see if anything's moving better. So remember, I wrote that new column for the market analyzer. It tells me the P&L value of how fast the markets are moving. So the winner right now is silver at $402 of P&L, potential P&L every minute.
When it's going for me, I'll just bleed the account really quick that way. Yeah, I'll get it all back. Hey, you're right. I didn't say next trade. I said tonight. I'll get it all back tonight, hopefully. Or early in the morning as I'm up at 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning still. Chasing this $400. Market's just not moving hardly at all.
Yeah, I mean, NQ's only giving up $92 of potential P&L every minute on average. So it's not moving much. Everything else is friggin' 20, 40 bucks. Not even worth trading.
What is gold?
Gold's 186 bucks.
192.
192, it just ticked up.
So what you're saying is I need to trade gold.
Silver would be better, 400 bucks a minute.
I've never traded silver. I'm not doing that.
You just got to pick the right side of that trade.
Yeah, I don't. The way it's going for me right now, it'd be wrong side for sure.
I'm going to open a new chart here and let's see. Duplicate window. Turn off the color coding and type in SI. Let's see. Silver futures. Let's have a look-see. And if it's moving like that, I should probably put it very similar to like my NQ chart.
Well, it's so much per. I think it's like $35 a tick or something. 34, 32, something like that.
So silver's grinding down. I'm gonna look for a short opportunity here.
Yeah, gold going down too.
Let's give it a shot. All right. Whoa! I used my $300 ATM and the target and stop are real tight, so I know it's worth a lot per tick.
Hey, you want to show your chart or?
Holy smokes. I'm scared. Yeah, let me drag this over there. Hold on.
Let's see Jesse's potential $1 million trade.
How do I do this? Hold on. I opened a whole new chart. Let me let's refresh that. Let me move this over. I'm a little scared of this silver trade. Whew.
Hey, Rapid. So he said, we're not going to extend the deal. Probably. We're going to extend it by 1 day. Vance is not going to go. Oh, Vance is on his way. We've agreed on everything, but we haven't talked yet. So.
All right, hold on. Let me share. I think that'll share that chart. Yeah. All right, I'm shared. You guys are going to have to bear with me. It's a chart on top of some other charts. So.
All right, let's do it. Let's see it.
I guess I could maximize it.
Let me know when you want me to share it.
Go ahead.
All right, let's see.
It's just sitting in front of my NQ chart, so
How
I'm
much
gonna close.
How much is that worth?
I
300
don't
bucks?
even. No. I moved them. I pulled the stop further away and the target further away too.
Oh boy.
The $300 ATM was tiny. It was like half an inch above and below the price. So I'm used to trading NQ. I'm like, whoa, that don't look right. I probably should have kept that stop where it was. Oh
Wow.
boy. This is crazy. I've never traded silver before. Whoa, look at it.
How much are you down right
Holy
now?
Smokes. It's down $850. Whoa.
Hey, you're trying to beat me, aren't you?
Whoa. That's one single contract. Oh my goodness.
And that's why I don't trade it.
That's where I should have got in. I got a little antsy. I was trying to get in on the next pullback to go short, but man.
I'll try and bounce back up here.
All right.
Chirp,
Hold on.
chirp.
Let me get that out of the way. Let's look at my actual trade over here with NQ.
Oh, you're in NQ still too.
Yeah, I'm still in that long.
Huh.
I was trying to front run that forward. What was that level at we talked about?
40 and a half. The gap fill.
Oh, this is on ES. Jeez, I'm a mess right now. Okay. Yeah, the gap fill. So let me front run that and put this thing at 39-ish. There we go. So that's just above the high. So there we go. That's a more realistic trade. My silver, woo, I'm never doing that again.
Hey, you need to do it in a funded account. Day
No
one.
way.
Hey, day one of your TPT account tomorrow, silver.
No, thank gosh. They don't let you trade metals still, right?
I don't think so.
I hope.
Jesse's gonna wake up. No. Oh, it's a dream.
That's crazy because I'm used to looking at the chart of NQ and ES. This would be like $300 down right now.
That's how those people are making all that money in gold and silver.
Wow.
Like they're having big moves and it's worth so much. So they're either gonna blow up or they're gonna make a crap ton of money.
That's insane. Brian says add to it. Ugh, no, I'm scared. I mean, it's sim only, but still, I don't want to teach myself bad habits.
You gotta double down. It's the only way to get back.
Oh, man.
Home equity loan in silver. Yeah, Eric says just take out a home equity loan in your house. Put it all in silver. What could go wrong? I mean, clearly you're gonna make a lot of money on it.
Oh, boy. Yeah, that silver trade got away from me real quick, too.
Are you still in it?
Yeah, I'm just going to hopefully get out at break even and close that chart. I'm never doing that again. Man.
You know they should make that part of your prop firm strategy?
No, I basically just wanted to get in the trade and see how the P&L, how quickly it really was. Because, I don't know. I've never even looked at silver before.
And now you're saying you're scared?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you get it right, it'd be pretty euphoric, but when you get it wrong, it's gonna suck. Madagascar? Going soon. I'll be leaving on a jet plane.
Yeah, I agree, Atomic. Jeez, man, this was crazy.
One trade and Silver won't do it again. Silver's like, what's up, guys? It's all right. Come on. Come on in. The water is warm. Go long, go short. It's one for all. Yeah, I want no part of silver. I mean, I think I only would trade silver if I'm down a lot and I need to get back. I'm just joking. That would not be the time to trade silver. Big, oh man, I just gotta make another $3,000 to get back. Trade silver and I need like 20 grand.
And my NQ trades getting away from me too. My lord, let's go. I kind of FOMO'd into that thing up near the top.
Yeah, so did I. Bought the highs, sold the lows.
Yeah.
Dummy.
I was just telling you that earlier, and then I went and did the same thing.
When the market's slow, it's tough.
Okay, I'm almost at break even on this silver trade, guys. Can you believe that?
Oh, you see how much money you can make on it. Don't get out break even.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, no. Now I'm going to be like, oh, let's just hold it. Let's see. Here, I'll pull it over. Oh, I think I can have them both on. Let's see if I can fit these both over here. Does that look okay? Let's see. Let me hit live on the stream. Kind of messy having charts over charts. I'm probably not going to leave it like that. But anyways, it's trying. Well, it was trying to get me back to break even. Jeez.
Gold's testing the fourth deviation. Wow. Man, it looks like Nasdaq's trying to come back down, but man, we haven't filled the gap yet. Same thing with the ES. We've been so close. So close.
Yeah, this might stop me out. Oh, it's gonna stop me out, that Nasdaq trade, I think.
It's going back up. Hey, if you need to stop you out, all I have to do is go long. It'll definitely get there. It'll go right down there. It'd be
all right, I'm hearing some buying. Here we go. Let's go. Come on.
Hey, ES has a lot of liquidity right there by that gap fill too.
Does it?
Yeah.
You would think it would want. Here, I'm going to look on the, here, let me refresh spot gamma. I'm going to look at the trace for tomorrow, which will show me all the gamma that was left over from today, which might help some trading tonight. Let's see. So let me put it on the 21st.
There is no hope.
Turn off 0 DTE. Okay, here we go. I got strike prices now. All right, I've got some gamma levels to look at. Let's see.
Silver's in a bullish channel on daily. Hey, Jesse, are you long or short silver?
I'm short silver and long NQ.
You need to flip them.
Oh yeah, I'll put that chart over here, but it's just kind of ugly, messes up the stream a little bit.
No, you need to make it where silver is the long and gold is the short, or NQ is the short.
I wonder if the sim broker will allow me to just flip the two.
Yeah, they will.
Without losing the money.
Hey, so back in the day when you used to do a payout request, make a withdrawal from your account in Ninja, you actually had to download a form and fill it in and send it, and it asked you your account number on it. I so much want to put Sim 101 so many times.
Okay, so what happened there? Okay,
NQ
stopped me out.
What happened there? I don't understand. What happened? That's
Well,
what
I got too many.
That's what I was saying all night too. What happened?
I got too many charts in front of me. I was trying to figure out what was that NQ or silver? What's happening?
No, you're still in
so
silver.
there's my long on NQ. I'm gonna go long again. All right, I'm back in the long. Let me tighten that up a little bit. And put that, I'm gonna front run that 40. I'm gonna put my target 839. Now I have a better entry. I took the stop. My stop is back behind VWAP just in case it tries to flush a little bit more. And let me get this silver chart the hell out of here. It's confusing me.
Yeah, white boy, what's up? Good evening.
I don't think I'm gonna need a reminder everybody. But just in case, tomorrow morning, can you just remind Jesse not to ever trade silver again?
No, we gotta remind Jesse. As soon as you get that new account, you have to full port silver. You'll be like, oh my gosh, you won't believe how much money I just made today.
I can't believe it. I mean, you definitely. I got to put silver on a way smaller Renko. Here, actually, I'm gonna do that right now.
Oh boy.
There's no way to trade silver on a friggin' 12.6. That's insane. It's like $1,000. Little tiny moves are $1,000.
Just add more contracts if you need more.
I'm gonna put it on the 6.3 and see what that looks like. Okay, that's more like it.
Hey, you know there's a micro silver.
Oh, is there? Oh yeah.
See, Jesse's like, nah, I don't trade small. I trade 150K prop accounts. I don't do micros. I only do minis.
Not when it comes to silver. Jeez.
He's like, all or nothing, baby. Let's go.
I learned a lesson. Oh, dude, it just flushed. Holy smokes.
What?
Did you guys see that?
Mm-mm.
Well, let me pull the chart back over. Ah, I didn't take my profit though. Look, it flushed way down here.
How much were you up?
I don't even know. It happened quick. It just went and then right back up.
How much you up on it right now?
Right now, 175. And look how close the price is to my entry. Look at how much that silver is worth per tick. That's crazy. Wow. Oh, look at it. It's moving around pretty quick. Holy cow. That reminds me of back when I traded gold. Back when I used to trade gold, the 2 times I traded it, like it would rip around like that too.
Huh.
That's crazy.
Nasdaq's trying to roll over here. Bust down through the bottom of the channel. I'm not even long the Nasdaq, so you can't blame me.
I'm green on it again, $300. I'm gonna like put my target down. Let me move my target. If it flushes its own low again, I'm out. I'm putting my target right there.
What, Nasdaq?
No, the oh shoot, I wasn't even watching my NQ. So I'm down on this NQ trade again. Jeez.
Then I gotta get more out of that silver trade, so you gotta go for a bigger target.
Yeah. So right now, after taking that stop, wait, how's that possible? How am I only down $107?
You're good like that.
That stop was 375 on NQ or 350 on NQ though. Did I have a winning trade earlier? Dude, this is weird. My realized P&L is only red $107.
You're up beforehand though.
Oh, that's what I couldn't remember that though.
Yeah, you're up. Then you lost on that one Nasdaq trade, and then whatever silver.
Okay, there's a VWAP on NQ. Maybe I'll get a. It's probably gonna try to flush it and then rip.
Hey, here's funny. So I kept trying for that friggin' VWAP. VWAP now is at 808. We just hit it.
Yeah.
Can't make that crap up.
Oh, stay broke. Good night. If you're still here, sorry I missed your message.
Yeah, good night. Raj says long gold now. Huh.
Holy smokes. Uh-oh. Silver's ripping my face off.
How much you down?
Oh. 575. And so I was up 550-ish, now down 575. Silver ain't no joke.
Sounds like you gotta add to it.
Huh.
That's the only way out. You have to add to it.
All right, F it. Let's go. I added one. But now I'm going to tighten my target up a lot.
No, you gotta sell it. You gotta make it worth the while. It's gonna be funny. You have to reset your stomach afterwards. One
Stay
silver
broke.
trade.
Stay broke said night, guys, and now he says I'm long NQ. That's like us. That's like me. I'm going to bed. Mike's like, I'm going to bed. I'll talk to you tomorrow. We talk in the morning. It's like, did you take any more trades last night? Hell yeah, I was up till 2. Oh, you just got here and said good night. Oh, I see.
Oh, okay.
I misunderstood. I thought you were saying good night, like see you later. All right. Oh man, that NQ is gonna stop me out again.
I feel your pain in the NQ.
Unbelievable. I'm not moving the stop. That's for damn sure. I'm trying to pretend that I learned that lesson.
I mean, how much lower can it really go?
It's taught me that lesson too.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy. It's like the market knows exactly where your pain point is. Just push right there to it and beyond.
What I'm hoping is, so 2 stop outs on NQ. I'm hoping this silver drops out for me here and I can get it back. I can't believe I was up $550-ish on that silver trade for a moment. But that happened so fast. There's no way I could have executed on that drop.
Yeah, maybe. Crude oil's trying to come back a little bit. It's only down 75 cents now.
Okay, NQ's trying to push up a little bit. Let's see.
Yeah, Raj is trying to hold VWAP, which it is. We'll spike through it.
I hope so. Hopefully we get back to the top of this range we're in and I can close that bad boy. Get that last trade back. That was nuts. Okay, my silver trade is now down $1,200, guys.
One contract or two?
No, you guys told me to add a second contract.
Whoa, don't blame us.
Look. Here's silver.
We were just saying hypothetically.
I was just I moved my target up, like getting desperate. Like if it flushes again, just get me out. But it's ripping.
But then it's gonna come down to your target. You're gonna end up moving it further.
I did. I just moved it down to the low of its session. Let's see. Dude, this is crazy. I think it's gonna tag me out too.
You think you gotta add again?
Nah.
I mean, you can't have a loss. It's sim. You got unlimited buying power.
I don't want to create bad habits.
Yeah,
I mean, that trade is down $1,200, guys. I'm I'm never trading silver in a real account ever. That's insane. Look at that. It just dropped. Now it's only down $300. Look at that.
Hey, if you would have added, you would have been up.
That tiny little move. What the? I don't know, Mike, if you can see my charts, but look at that tiny little move right there.
It doesn't look like much from what I can see.
That's crazy.
Let's Jesse move a stop on his own.
Dude, once I'm out of this silver trade, I'm closing that chart and I'm never looking at it again.
I mean, I wouldn't trade it in sim anymore. I just go straight to live now. You have experience.
Oh, sure. Now that now I'm a vet, man.
Yeah. You got one trade under your belt. You're good. I don't know why people want to trade that thing. Like in the prop accounts, like when they let you, I feel like you're just asking to get things blown up.
I mean, even trading, like, I don't know what's the micro silver worth, but it's got to be similar to like trading the regular NQ, I would guess. I think micro silver is probably similar to trading
probably $3.20 a tick, maybe. $3.50 a tick, maybe.
So maybe a little less than NQ, but it's got wild, crazy moves. That's nuts.
Yeah, imagine the people that got it right, how much hurt that put on the prop accounts.
Yeah.
And they didn't do it with just one contract. They're just loading it. Full port, send.
Atomic says, take a trade and find out. Yeah, sure. I learned my lesson here with silver. I'm just hoping to get out of this thing. Oh, boy. It's trying to grind up now. I might be in trouble.
Oh, no. You got to reset the sim account. At least,
Try not to do that.
Hey, but at least if you have to reset the sim account, it doesn't cost anything.
Only my pride.
And
oh, wait. I'm hearing a lot of buying on NQ. Hold on. NQ and ES is trying to rip. They're trying to push. Come on. Let's go.
NQ's going. Trying to pop. Oh, Raj says micro silver $5 a tick.
Oh, so it's exactly the same as NQ then, right?
No, NQ is 50 cents a tick. Or MNQ.
No, I'm talking about micro silver is the
yep,
same as regular sized NQ. That's nuts.
Yeah, but I don't think the range is as big.
Dude, this silver trade's gonna wreck my night. That's for sure. Even if I get that losing trade, those 2 losing trades back on NQ, silver wiped me out. Wow.
Hey, it still has a shot to come back.
Yeah, if it drops again, I'm gonna close that thing.
Hey, see, so you learn. You didn't have to risk any real money. You didn't have to risk damaging the prop accounts. You learned.
Raj says silver used to be called the Widowmaker. Yeah, yeah.
Now we know why.
That is nuts. That trade is down $1,300. Guys, that's only an inch away from my price, my entry. Look at that.
It's not bad.
That is crazy.
How much do you think you'll lose on it if it's wrong?
I don't even know, but where my stop's at, I mean, so this was about $1,300 and that's double the distance, right? So I would guess $2,600 if it hits that stop.
Oh man.
Roughly.
Oh wow.
Oh boy. Okay, hold on. Oh, it tried to drop. Come on, silver, just drop a little bit. Oh, it's trying. Get down there.
You lose $5 grand in 12 seconds.
So my realized P&L is down 110. I only need $110 to get back to break even on the night. Let me just put this target right here. You guys seeing this? Look at my R to R on this trade.
I know. So hey, you can't do that. You don't want to scoop your R to R.
This is a joke.
You gotta go for more.
Silver is too. This is crazy. I mean, hey, we needed some entertainment, I guess, with the slow market. Atomic 2,300 on the day. Wow, good job.
Yeah, good deal.
Mike, we got the applause sound
I just
effect?
did it. I was already on it. I was already on it.
Sweet.
You focus on. Hey, Raj, either that or you can go broke really quick.
Yeah. That's what Rector said. Silver is fun in games, making easy money until you lose $5,000 in 10, 12 seconds. Yeah, I'm close to it. This is crazy. Let me just pull that. I mean, that's unrealistic. Let me just get behind this fib level at least. Well, from what I've seen it do since I've been in this trade. So I got in this trade right over here. So I've seen, I mean, these moves were fast. Now it's slow, but the next move could either take me out or hit that target.
200K in 20 minutes? Holy crap. I'd cry.
Oh, boy.
That's a bad day.
Yeah, I mean, I'm never going to trade silver. This is on, by the way, for anybody watching, this is the Sim 101 account in Ninja. It's fake.
AKS his live account.
This is not real money.
He's trading silver to try to retire.
And this is my first time ever looking at a silver chart. So I get it. This is stupid.
Nah, you're learning. Learn what not to do.
I was like, what I saw here, let me make the chart smaller. What I saw was this price action. I was like, oh, sweet. I could just buy these little bounces. Or I'm sorry, sell these bounces and let her rip. Well, I got in right here a little too soon. And then that was a nice rip down, but it happened so fast. Literally in a blink of an eye, it ripped down and came right back. Oh boy, that's going to stop me out.
Hey, Gio, have a good night.
That's going to stop. Oh my goodness. $1,500, guys. It's down.
I think it's funny because it's sim account, so it's not going to cost you any real money. Then you just got to battle it back tonight. See if we can get it back.
Dude, 1,600.
What are you going to do if you blow up your sim account?
Hey, good night, Gio. That's one thing I've actually never done is blow up the sim account.
That's because you can't blow them up.
Really?
I don't think so. I think you can just trade it regardless.
I mean, it only has 100 grand in it, right? Can't you run it all the way down to zero and won't it?
I don't know. I think if you turn off the risk settings in Ninja, you can just keep piling on contract. Oh, you can. Hey, because I was joking around with my friend one night. I was just piling on contracts. I made like $1 billion.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I had like hundreds of thousands of contracts on a trade.
Jeez.
I just kept going. I mean, it was sim. It wasn't real, obviously. It's just
What do you so if it goes down to $0, it doesn't like
I have to turn off the
margin
risk.
call you?
I have to call the risk. No, it won't. It won't margin call you. If you have the risk on it, just won't let you place another trade. It'll go doo-doo-doo, not enough margin or something.
Atomic, yeah, I know you can reset it, but obviously if you're in a trade, if you're in a live trade and you reset it, it gets rid of that trade. But
That's one way to get out. Get
I've
out
done
and get all
that
your money back.
before. I've done that before for sure. I got mad and just, had 50 contracts on or something. I just reset it, but I've never actually ran it down to 0.
Oh, you're not a veteran until you go below 0.
Geo said, good night, guys. I'm keeping my 120. There you go. Good idea.
Yeah, I agree. Good idea. I wish I had my money I started the stream with. But it is what it is. Is it still going up or going down?
No, Ash, that's right. $2,500 of drawdown in a 50K account. I mean, jeez.
Hey, imagine putting 10 contracts on that.
You can smoke that real quick.
10 contracts. Boop, accounts breached.
So I was green on that NQ trade for a little while there, but now it's trying to pull back again. Oh, there we go. Come on, push. NQ. Silver drop.
How wide is the spread on silver?
It's quite a bit. It's a full dollar.
Oh, wow.
How many ticks are in? So it
I've never
goes
traded
by.
it.
I don't know. How many ticks are in a dollar on? I think it looks like 4. I'm watching it move. I'm watching the. Yeah, I think it's 4. I think it's like NQ. 4 ticks to every point. I think.
Gold has 10 ticks per point.
Oh, does it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there goes NQ taking off, but I need silver to drop, man. Jeez.
I think he was looking decent for you.
Trish, yes, for sure. So Trish, 100%. You, the size of your prop firm account is your drawdown, not the 150K or 50K, right? That's just the margin. That's just how much margin you get. But yeah, I mean, this is a.
Hey, Roger, trying to get me to go long. Roger's trying to talk me into trading some gold.
I'm up $100 on this NQ trade, but I need a lot more than that with this mess I'm in silver.
Nasdaq looks decent.
Okay, thanks, Lumps. Oh, when I said I was watching the bid and ask move, I'm an idiot. I was sitting here watching my NQ chart. That's why it was moving in 4 ticks per point.
So what is it on silver?
0.005 says Lumps.
Oh.
It's a 5,000 multiplier. Jeez.
That's funny.
Yeah, so I'm watching the bid and ask on that. Oh yeah, it is moving 0.005. Okay, those are tiny little ticks. They're worth a lot though. Man.
Where's your stop at silver? What price?
Can't see that far. $79.60. So Raj says on silver, you'll start with $100 loss or gain depending on timing of your entry. Yeah, I don't doubt that. From what I'm seeing here, this is crazy.
It doesn't sound good.
I can't believe how quick it moved down. Where was my target? My target must have been way down here or something, because that was a pretty big move down and it didn't get me out of the trade. I think my target was down here. That was dumb.
Market's just not moving tonight.
No.
Slower than normal.
Yeah, NQ's averaging 16 ticks per minute. GC's 17 ticks per minute. And silver 9 ticks per minute. So not much happening.
Where's your target on that on the NASDAQ?
39. I'm just trying to front run that gap fill. Although it's got an automatic trailing, it's got a $500 ATM on it, so it'll start trailing it somewhere around 440 or something like that.
You might be good in your silver trade.
I don't know, man. It's just stuck right there.
You don't think it'll come back down?
Well, I hope. I mean, I'm just looking at the history of this trading session, and you would think, like, look at all these bounces, drop out, bounce, drop out, bounce, drop. I mean, I was trying to trade that pattern. I just got in way too early. Way too early. And since I've never really traded it before, I didn't know that I'd be $1,200 in the hole with those small little moves like that. Man.
Yeah, that's nuts. They weren't playing. They're coming to get you.
Trish says, I had the same NQ trade as you when you set yours. Okay. So over here is my NQ trade. So you're pretty similar to... Are you still in it? I'm trying to hold it to up here. I mean, I might sissy out and close it if I get real green on it, but... But, I mean, it held VWAP. So it should try to grind up there. We'll see. Chris, the OG. Good night, buddy.
Yeah, see you later, Chris. They're just keeping... Get you in the water, just keep it there.
By the way, do you see on my silver chart that purple down arrow right there, Mike? Look at that thing. Right? That called out a multi-$1,000 move on silver. Jeez.
I think you're going to be good in NASDAQ.
I think NASDAQ's going to be okay. I think it's going to try to grind back up there, but I'm really worried about this silver trade. Huh. Atomic 50. Wait, am I reading that right? 550 more to go to pass a 50K. All right.
Nice.
Let's get it.
Uh-oh, silver's on the move again.
Oh, boy.
Silver's on the move. I think you got this.
No, it's moving up.
Oh, yeah.
I need to go down.
I mean, good news is you'll be out one way or the other.
Yeah.
Let's just get rid of the stop loss. I mean, I don't think that's what I want. So what do you think? $2,600 will be down after that trade? If it hits?
Yeah, roughly, I guess. I don't know. So it's at 1,400 right here. I mean, probably somewhere right around there. I'm just roughly looking at it, doing the math. I don't know.
You're going to stay up all night trying to get this account back.
Or I could just reset it like you guys were talking about.
That'd be easier.
Ding says, I bet you make more money than me than I make at Walmart. If you're talking about day jobs, yeah, I probably make more than somebody that works at Walmart. But if we're talking about trading, no. Because at least you take a paycheck from Walmart. I don't have a paycheck from trading yet this year, and we're 4 months, almost 5 months. No, we're almost, whatever. We're several months into the year. I got to get a payout. I got to build that confidence back up.
Yeah, you had some good payouts secured.
Oh, yeah. I made a couple stupid mistakes this year so far. That's for sure. I missed out on...
I missed out on some too. But...
Let me do the math. So I had those 5 TPT accounts. Okay. I had 10 150K accounts 1 day away from payout, a $5,000 per. So that's $50,000 payout minus their share. And I blew up the accounts on that final day like an idiot. And then 5 other evals that were going to be passed that day. And I blew those up. All 15 got blown up. That's painful because that would have been 50K right there. So that was dumb. Had I not done that mistake, I'd be, and I've actually done that twice. The second time was only 5 accounts, but still, that's $25,000 payout. So I've actually blown up $75,000 worth of payouts this year so far. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And I know Mike's talked about it before. It's the Superman effect that he talks about because it always gets me after you trade hecka good for 5 days, 10 days, whatever, and pass an eval, you're feeling confident. And then like on day 1 of the funded account, it's like either poof or the confidence and everything's still good. Get it all the way to payout. And that's when that Superman effect kicks in.
Yeah, that's like crazy.
Get overconfident, do one stupid thing, that leads to more stupid things, and that leads to anger, revenge trading, and yada, yada, yada. We all know about these things. And before you know it, gonzo.
Gonzo.
And you know what sucks too? Those TPT accounts, I had the entire buffer in there plus almost $5,000 of a payout. I lost all that because their trailing stops at your at 0, right? At 150,000, right?
Yeah.
So I lost like 10K times 5 accounts that day in TPT. Oh, unbelievable.
Yeah, that sucks.
Atomic, you're right. How many trades does one person need? At least one more. Hey, whoa, I was green. I was green on the silver trade. Oh, no. Dang it.
I knew silver was going to be a good trade. I never doubted it.
Oh, come on. I was going to close that thing at break even. I wasn't paying attention. Dang it. Trish was 21 days green and blue mine. Oh, yeah. I don't think I've ever made it 21 days. The longest I've ever had. In fact, I've never made it to a second payout on any prop firm account ever.
Really?
Never. I've gotten plenty of them to the first payout, but then I do stupid stuff. It's that whole Superman thing, I'm telling you. But I have changed a lot in my trading and my ATMs, my ATRs, and all that stuff now since I got a payout and since I got funded accounts. So I'm fingers crossed. I'm hoping I've made some changes. And Mike, of course, has got a cattle prod ready to go.
I can't wait to use it.
All right, so the silver trade's green. I should probably just close this thing. Yeah, I'm closing it. Oh my gosh, I closed it green, but it gave me more red on my realized P&L. Oh my gosh, the slippage. All right, I'm closing that silver chart, never to be seen again. There we go. Never to be seen again. That was a dumb trade. Now, if NQ could just push up and hopefully I can get this 216 bucks back. Let's see. Green Trade says, just one more silver trade. No, thank you.
Come on, we gotta see if it was luck or not.
No.
We just gotta try it one more time.
Luck, I lost $100.
You know,
Hey, I'm just thankful.
Hey, you gotta get it back. Hey, you gotta get it back.
I was only, I mean, that thing I think was down $1,600 at one point. I'm just thankful to be out of it. Yeah, that was lucky, Atomic. I agree. Trish says, thought they were bringing a mini micro silver. Well, the micro silver is already $5 a tick. Actually, with how silver moves, that's still risky. That's a risky trade.
No guts, no glory.
Okay, come on. I'm hearing buyers. Let's go. Push it, NQ. I mean, they tried. Didn't get very far.
You're lucky you got out of that silver.
Why is it ripping?
Not ripping, but it went back up a little bit.
Oh boy.
That's crazy.
Green says, set a $100 target and a $2,000 stop. What could go wrong?
Exactly.
Oh man.
I don't think anything can go wrong.
Hey, I used to trade like that. Not that bad. That's exaggerated. But I used to be so proud of my win-loss ratio, right? I had like a 93% win-loss ratio. And I would do really, really well until I didn't, right? And so I learned pretty quick that having these big giant stops and winning every trade, it's not worth it, because all it takes is one time and poof, you got to start all over again. It's ridiculous. So now lately, over the last, I don't know, how long's it been since I set up all those new ATR based ATMs, Mike? 4 weeks maybe? But now over the last 4 weeks, I'm hovering right around 56%, 56 to 50 to 60% win-loss ratio. But the P&L is much larger. Much larger. It's just way safer to take a smaller loss.
Oh, hey, other people are saying they have a problem with extreme buffering too. And I didn't change any settings.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so maybe it wasn't you. Let's see.
Let's see how far. Yeah, I don't know.
Let's see.
You might just want to do, not right now, obviously, but later or tomorrow, just do a maintenance reboot of all your equipment. I do it once a month. Yeah, Raj, that's what Mike does. Mike's got a pretty good stop. I mean, for my style of trading, I use a bigger bar than Mike. I couldn't do a $200 stop. I've crunched all the numbers. So my stop is $350, and then my target's based on the current ATR. So basically, I'm looking for 80% of whatever the 5-minute ATR is currently in the market. So And then if it's below a certain amount, where the R to R doesn't make sense, I just don't trade. In fact, I have an indicator right on my chart that says do not trade. In fact, you can see it here. You can see it says, let me zoom that out. Don't trade, it says right now. Because the current ATR on the NASDAQ is $149, right? I don't mean points. I mean P&L. So it's not even worth putting a trade on for $150 if my stop's 350, right? So it's telling me don't trade. Now I've been stuck in this trade for what? God knows how long. In fact, I should probably just take, if I take that, nope, I'm still red on the night if I take that. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. We'll see what happens. So anyways, yeah, Mike's got that tight stop, but it works well for him on those small, fast Renko bars. I couldn't do that. That's too tight of a stop for my big bars I use. So, but as long as you've got good risk to reward, it's not all about the win percentage, of course. Took me 4 years to learn that. If your trades are like 3 to 1, 4 to 1, you could have a real crappy win ratio, actually. Hi-fi. Oh boy. Yeah, Raj, that's true. I don't even think I'm over that yet. I've been trading futures now for, I think it's been over 4 years, and I still have that problem. Because it's, you see how powerful it is, how leveraged it is, and when you can make, I average about $1,800 a day. When you see that kind of money, it's real tough to, that's the problem. You expect instant gratification with the way our markets move.
Man, silver's going down pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah.
You tell me I should have held on to that thing?
Yeah.
Dang. That's all right. I'm just glad to get it off the screen. Coop says the teeny silver contract symbol is SIC. All right.
Oh, he's trying to get people sucked in. Hey, Jesse,
Coop, aren't you the one who suckered me into trading gold a long time ago? That had to have been a year or two ago. I think I had a blast, man. I think I made over $1,000 on one trade that night. And then the next night I think I lost $1,000 on a trade. It was something like that. And I said, nope, never trading gold again. Up all night trading silver. Nope. No, thank you. Come on, NQ. Will you just give us a push? Jeez. That's right, Coop. Yeah, okay, I remember now. I mean, it was pretty exciting because gold moves a lot at nighttime, usually. I mean, tonight nothing's moving, but
you could have made a boatload on that silver trade.
Oh, really? Is it still going down? I closed the chart.
I mean, for how much silver was paying you per tick or whatever, it was pretty good.
I don't doubt it. I mean, that's exciting. It gets the blood pumping, but it's not for me. Let's see. Come on, NQ. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one, Raj. I don't think a lot of people have seen real bearish prolonged periods of time.
I haven't been a trader during that. No. I mean, there's been some pretty rough friggin' down spells.
Yeah, but man,
But not like that. So, and I'm kind of a long bias trader anyways, just that's how I'm wired. So it'll be interesting to see how I adjust if and when that ever happens again. Jeez. They're just, all I'm hearing is sellers trying to push it down. You guys remember my story from...
You're still in that NASDAQ, huh?
Yeah. Remember my story from I think it was last week, where I was like, it was one of those nights you didn't stream, or no, you ended the stream early, I think, because the market was just relentlessly slow. I ended up sitting in a trade for 2 hours and finally closed it for $50. And I said, I'm done with this. This is feeling like one of those evenings. Yeah.
Don't forget, we still have, we're going to be hearing rumors about deal, no deal. We're not going to talk. We're going to talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, the big ES. Oh, man, I heard stories about that. I've never traded it. I think it was wild.
Oh, yeah, I've heard about that too.
2,500 a point.
Whew. Hey, how much is silver worth per point? I'm curious. It's a lot. It's got to be a lot.
A lot more than I want to lose. Trade 2 times. I think the biggest trade I ever did was on ES, the 100 contracts back in the day. I said, F that. I'm never doing that again.
Oof.
That was the worst lunch break of my life. Did it over lunch too. That was back when the ES traded like 1,000 something, like 1,100, 1,200, something like that. It was way back in the day. I said, never again. You can keep that mess.
Hey, you know what's weird, Mike?
What's up?
So I'm sitting here watching our stream, your stream, on 2 different devices on 2 different internet connections. And it definitely is doing that whole spinning thing every 10 or 15 seconds. And
yeah, it's weird because
but here's the thing. Our VDO connection where we're talking to each other is 100% crystal clear. Perfect. No cutouts. So I think this is a YouTube issue.
Maybe.
And I've seen YouTube have issues like that before. In fact, I'm going to Google it. Is YouTube having streaming issues?
How many minis going into a trade? Oh boy. Small as you can. Smallest size possible. Can't believe you're still in that NASDAQ trade.
Yeah, it's been a while. I mean, I was up $100 on it or something.
Oh, hey, silver went down. I don't know if you were in that little spike down or not. But it went to challenge the lows of the session. Missed it by a few. Low of the session was 79.16. It went down to 79.22. QI futures. Dollar move $2,500. Oh man. No, thank you. I'm good. I'm good. All right. I need the mortgage payment. I need the mortgage payment. Wrong way. Dang it. Hey, but I mean, you do have better odds, in the market. If you just were to spin the wheel one time a day, once per day, you have a better shot of coming out ahead than you do playing roulette.
What's up, Linda?
Yeah, if you want to flip count, silver's way to go. Hey, Linda, how's it going?
Well, she said hi, Mike. I probably should have waited for you to say hi to Linda. Sorry, I jumped the gun there, Linda. Missed something. Wesley says, what account is the giveaway from tonight? Ah, that's a good question. Mike, you can do one of those?
Nope. Saving it for tomorrow.
Saving it for tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow during the live stream. We've been giving away 2 and 3 accounts. I want to be able to give away 2 accounts per day. I gave one on the email, which let me go check. Let me go check and see if somebody claimed it. Let's go see, because I didn't need their information. I probably shouldn't have dropped the code. I should have been waiting for them to email me back first. Because then I'm not going to know. I said they have 24 hours to use it. So let's see. Let's see. They haven't used it yet.
Really?
Not yet. So
That's crazy. I would have been all over that.
They might not have seen the email yet. I mean,
Dude,
I sent the email at like 2:15, something like that. And I said you got 24 hours. So tomorrow, if that code is not gone by 2:15, I'm gonna send out another email, pick another winner.
Wow. Coop, yes, I have spot gamma and I have vol signals. I have both.
Oh, you still got vol signals?
Yep, I paid for a month, so.
Oh. And you got Mentor Q too.
Yeah, and I have Mentor Q. Yeah, I've got all 3 of them. I'm sure there's one I'm missing, but
I hate when you go backwards.
It happens, Atomic. You'll get it back on the next trade. Or tomorrow when the market's actually moving.
It's moving. It's always going to the right. Come on.
Actually, you know what's funny is if you don't have a time-based chart, for example, if you put a chart on like a 300-point range chart tonight, it ain't moving to the right, Mike.
Yeah, that's true. What's the Nikkei? Nikkei's up 771. HSI is only up 70.
I mean, our markets are up too, so everything's kind of, I mean, nothing's flushing, you know, except for precious metals. Natural gas and crude are all down. Not a ton, but
A lot of chirping.
oh yeah, quant data. That's right. Yeah, that's the other one. Raj, I'll have to open that I'll open it in another tab and save it for later.
Oh, that's the same one he sent earlier.
The oil shock is about to hit America. Dude, I already pay $8.30 a gallon for my diesel. Okay?
Well, hey, just wait. It's going to get worse.
The shock already hit me.
ES always has more volume than NASDAQ. Or at least it should. So you have about 5 Vakatonics. And poof, it all disappeared. Have a good night.
See ya, Hi-Fi. Lumps, yeah, I'm not joking. I sent Mike a text. I texted him a photo of my local Chevron. I mean, this was a couple weeks ago now, but what? How much was that, Mike? I don't even remember.
I'm looking for it right now as we speak.
Me too. I think it was $8.29 that day.
I think
yeah, $8.29 and 9 cents, 9/10, right, for diesel number 2. That's not even premium diesel, guys. That's regular old Chevron diesel.
Oh, I thought I didn't know there was 2 different types of diesel.
Yeah, there's premium diesel that's got more lubricity in it because diesel fuel in America sucks. But anyways, so regular gasoline that day was $6.19. Plus was $6.39. and Supreme was $8.57. I'm just looking at the photo right now. And by the way, here in my area, I don't know if it's all of California, but our Supreme is only 91, not 93 like it is in most other states.
Oh, really?
So for 91 octane Supreme, $8.57 and 9/10. Unbelievable.
That's horrible.
Hey, yes. So I used to have a Ford Lightning, so electric vehicle that I never had to buy fuel for. I just charged it overnight at my house once every 2 weeks. That was beautiful. Loved it. But then I got the itch, wanted to go back to having my Super Duty. Of course, I got the high output one, right? And it was like, what, just weeks later, boom, this catastrophe hit the world. Oh, man. My timing couldn't have been better.
Don't pay for your fuel, $8 a gallon. No notice to the wallet at all.
Our premium fuel is 98 octane in Australia.
Wow.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it's usually 93 where I'm at.
98 is almost racing fuel. Wow.
Right. Remember, right, racing's like 103 or something.
Yeah. That's quite unnecessary for the, standard vehicles.
I used to run it my dirt bike.
Yeah. But like,
Yeah.
your regular old like Ford, Chevy, Honda, Subaru, like these vehicles don't need 98. That's overkill.
Hey, if you're racing, you do.
Hey, in Australia, what is most you guys have different brands of vehicles over there too. I mean, I'm sure you got all this stuff too, but I'm trying to think of that brand I've seen a lot in Australia. I'm going to Google it. I'm curious.
Kangaroo?
Ah.
What is it?
Oh, it would help if I could spell.
Hey, D Coop. I think it said Australia.
Yeah, Australia. Yeah, that logo, I recognized it immediately.
What is it?
What is the brand name? It looks like a cat. Is that a cat? No, it looks like a fox or something. Hold on. And then there's one with a lion. Iveco. I recognize the lion and the cat. Let me see. Okay, so the market is dominated by imported top-selling brands such as Toyota, Ford, and Mazda. But there's Balwell, Elfin.
Oh, yeah, Holden. Is it Holden?
Is that what it is?
I forgot about them. I don't know. It might be.
I guess let me just click on this photo and tell me if it... Here, maybe it'll tell me the brand names. Let's see. It looks like a lion with a big mane, a red logo. What brand is that? Yeah, Holden. That's the Holden brand. Okay. And then what's this one? Oh, that's not a cat. What is that? Oh, FPV. Oh, it's like a Ford Performance Vehicles brand. Oh, that's weird. Okay, what's this one? HSV. That's the one oh, it's a division of Holden. Okay, that's the logo I remember seeing. Okay. 98 octane though. Wow.
Hey, so how much do you pay for that 98 octane?
Oh yeah, that's a good question. We'll have to convert it to US dollars. Trish, I've got Ford Blue running in my veins. My family's always been Ford. So you don't got to worry about me. So I know there's other, we all got that. It's either Dodge, Ford, or Chevy, right? For us Americans. I happen to be a Ford guy, so I got you, Trish. I got you.
Yeah, don't buy Dodge or Chrysler. Big POS. In terms of American cars, they're probably the worst.
Unfortunately, they all kind of suck, American vehicles these days. But yeah,
I think they've actually gotten better.
really.
Yeah. Why
Oh,
is it
that
not
the Australian guy said their standard fuel is 92 octane. That's crazy.
Hmm.
Higher octane than our premium here.
Hey, Atomic, I'm with you on that.
Chevy here, but don't mind a Ford. Yeah, I guess some people don't really care, but the way I grew up with my dad and my grandpa, it's like
You do realize Ford circled the problem, right? On their logo. Uh-oh. Sports equipment is deep again.
oh boy, Apple sporting equipment deep. What's up, Apple? Good to see you. Yeah, I used to love the Taurus SVO. The later models of it that the police use. Ooh, I love that car.
Oh man, at work, I used to have to work on the police car sometimes. I used to love taking it for a drive. Get behind somebody, pull up to them real fast, and just follow them around. They keep, coming to complete stops and using the blinkers.
Hey, good night, Raj.
You can see those, like, they get nervous. They're trying to get, turn somewhere so you don't follow them. Then just keep following them.
Nice, Trish. Yeah, I've got a F350 Super Duty with the high output. It's a, is it a limited or a platinum? No, it's a Tremor. It's a Tremor Super Duty 350, high output and all that. Love it. Love the truck, but boy, did I buy it at the wrong time when it comes to diesel prices. Man. Oh, that's right, Pedro. What's up, Pedro? Good to see you. SHO is what it was. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if we can get 98. We can get racing fuel, but I think it's like 103 or something.
Yeah, out here, the only place we can get that racing fuel is either at we have a drag race strip out here, Infineon Raceway near me. Well, it's not real near me, but, or I think they sell it at the airports too, because I believe some airplanes run on that. The prop planes run on that stuff, I think. That's funny, T Coop. That's funny. How anybody could think that options are a waste of time is crazy. If you're a futures trader, the options market is driving pretty much all the price action almost all day, every day. Now, sometimes it gets a little out of hand and things happen, but for the most part, you gotta know what the options are doing. I can't believe they said that. We can get airplane fuel if you know a mate who knows a mate.
How much are you up in that NASDAQ?
What's that?
How much are you up in that NASDAQ trade?
I'm down $25.
Jeez. It's been like the longest trade ever.
I know. I wish Ninja Trader had a little timer that tells you how long you've been in a trade for.
They're flashing too long. Burn.
Yeah. Get out. It ain't working. Yes, SPX options are traded overnight. I have Spot Gamma's Hero open and it moves at night. Not a lot, but it moves. And actually, let's see what it's doing.
It's moving down.
Let me zoom out so I can see its movement. Yeah, it's not doing a lot. It's been kind of flat, but oh yeah. I zoomed out far enough to actually see movement. And it's dropped out pretty significantly for nighttime action. It's dropped about $1 million since 2100-ish. That's pretty decent for nighttime action. They're trying to pull the market down. Traders are trying to fight it, though.
I don't know that I want to work on jets. I'd be like, oh man, see you crash. Oh man, hope I didn't work on that.
Oh boy. Hey, Vector, I'm not talking about a bar timer. I'm aware of that. But I mean, like, since I entered the trade, you know, like something that say, hey, you've been in this trade for, you know, an hour and 45 minutes. It's probably not working out. Close it.
This market just had a little bit of movement early on and just stopped.
Okay, so now I'm up $80 on this trade. That was a nice little move. I mean, it kind of stinks because had I been just scalping these $80 moves up and down, up and down.
Hey, silver took out the low tonight. It's back above it now. I think Nasdaq's gonna be good. It's just gonna take a little bit.
I'm starting to lose hope on that 839 target up there. And it's almost, dude, it's almost midnight already your time, huh?
No, it's almost 11.
Oh, 11.
Woo! I've been over here trading gold.
Oh, really?
Yeah, get my butt kicked, getting some back. I'm back up now. I'm up 150.
Oh, you're green on the night. Heck yeah.
Yeah, but I got down like $800 at the low water mark.
Woo! At least you didn't do a silver like I did.
No, I didn't do silver.
Atomic heading out. No gains. Want to keep this account. Sounds good, Atomic. See you tomorrow, buddy.
Minis, not micros. I guess that's shade mini.
Sniper, I don't quite I don't know if you're speaking Spanish there or what. I don't trade Bitcoin, so I wouldn't be able to answer it anyways. And I'm pretty good with Spanish, but I don't understand the question.
No, he's talking about is the iceberg indicator on Bookmap.
Oh, La Carte. Like, can you get it by itself for Bitcoin?
Carte.
I think that's what he's trying to ask. I don't know.
No, he's saying because the Bitcoin you can trade on the CME. He wants to know if you can get that data for the icebergs and stuff through it with Bookmap.
No, Bitcoin futures, yes, because it's centralized.
Yeah, that's what he's saying. No, that's what he's saying. He says Bitcoin on CME. That's what he's asking.
On CME data?
No. I think he's talking about the CME futures Bitcoin, like the futures market. I think.
Yeah, Sniper. Yeah, the icebergs work on. Yeah, if you're trading futures, yes, icebergs work. But you got to be in order for that to work, you have to be using Bookmap data subscription or Arithmic MBO level 3 data subscription. Yeah, I thought he was saying a la carte. If you're talking about futures, yes, you can do it. I have that indicator. I have the whole bundle. But I don't pay for I don't think my subscription. I've never even tried to open let me try it. Let's see. Does anybody know what's the code for
Oh, Mike.
Yeah, code Mike. I like it. The Bitcoin futures is what? B. Let's see.
I don't know. I'm
BTC.
not trading it. I think it's BTC, isn't it?
Yeah, but I need to know the month too. BTC. What would it be? BTC. What's the expiration month on that?
I'll tell you real quick.
Oh, Q6 maybe or V6?
04-26.
No, the bookmap wants a Q or a V. I'll just try the Q6 and see what happens. Let's see if I have data for that. I don't think I do. Let's see. Well, it's loading. It loaded.
I don't know where the Lucid Vault key's at. Somebody else asked about that. I'm getting rid of this gold chart. I'm turning it back off. I don't want to look at it no more.
Never mind. It didn't load. I don't have data for that. Unsubscribe. All right, I'm off there.
Oh yeah, I only had the C. I got CME. I got CME for bookmaps. I don't have the Dow or the Russell or oil or gold. I did, but I didn't like the way bookmap looked for the Dow, so I didn't want to pay for that. I wasn't trading gold and oil anymore.
So whatever subscription I have does not include BTC.
They said MBT. That's micro Bitcoin though, which is probably more liquidity there.
I'm signing into my bookmap account because now I'm curious on what data I have and why I don't have BTC data.
No, MBT.
That would be the same, right?
No.
No?
I don't know. I'm going to try it online now.
All right, let me sign in here.
MBT. I have it.
Well, mine loaded, but then when I looked at it, there was no price action. I don't know. It was weird. So I'm going to go try
I have it. I can see it.
Do you?
Yeah. I mean, the liquidity's pretty fucked up on it. Oop. Pretty messed up.
Good thing we're on the night stream.
It was pretty messed up. It's like 50, 50, 50. Yeah, I'm going to bring that over to show people.
So I have CME futures, MBO data. Where do I
feel like I'm on the wrong month, though. I don't trade Bitcoin. You guys are going to try to get me to trade Bitcoin. Let's go see.
I tried trading that before. Okay, so mine, I have CME, CBOT, NYMEX, and COMEX. Now...
Oh, see, I only have CME. That's it.
So why wasn't my Bitcoin working?
Hey, Apple, you just know I'm getting tired, so it slipped. Oh, hey, it says MBT J6 is the current symbol.
J6? That didn't even give me that option. Hold on.
Yeah,
I want to try it again. I want to get it working.
Mine pulled up the wrong one, so I'm going to do it again.
BTC J6.
No, MBT J6.
No, I'm going to look at the full contract. I don't.
That one's not going to have as much liquidity. Contracts are so much money.
You think?
Yeah. Like back in the day, the original Bitcoin was like 70,000 a contract to trade at margin.
All right, I'll try.
Oh, yeah. Hey, it has. Yeah, we have liquidity there.
MBT.
All right, this one looks better. This one looks more gooder.
MBT J6. All right, I'm loading it up. Let's see if I have that data.
Hey, Dave, we did 2 giveaways on the main channel, and then I did 1 giveaway on the email, which the person has not used the Lucid code yet. So tomorrow at 2:15, if they have not, I'm going to scroll down, pick one more winner on the email list, and send it to whoever it stops on. Or maybe we'll send it for... Actually, maybe I won't do that. Maybe we'll save it for the night stream. Hey, Charles, what's up?
Dang, this NQ's going against me. Dude, I could have had $100 and I didn't take it.
Welcome to my world tonight.
Jeez.
I'm up 450 now, so I'm up. I think I'm up $75 more than I was when I started the stream. I went down minus 800 at the worst part.
All right, it's loading. It's trying to load. Oh yeah, it's moving.
Yeah.
Look at that. All right.
I'm not trading it. I can get rid of it off my book map.
I just had the wrong because when I was typing in BTC, it recommended Q6 and V6, but J6 is the current contract. So all right, I got data now.
So where's your stop at on this trade?
804. 804.50 to be exact. Let's see if VWAP holds again. I can never remember how to do this.
What are you doing?
On Bookmap, how to move that, the vertical white line, like where the price meets the liquidity, like how do I slide that over to the right?
I don't have a clue what you're talking about.
I can never remember. Here, let me show you on my, are we on my screen?
Yeah.
Let me pull it over and I'll show you.
We've been watching your banger trade all night.
This white line right here. On my other instruments, I've got it pulled way over. I don't need to see these.
Just scroll your mouse wheel, right? Oh, no. Hey, just grab the chart, move it. Click the
Yeah.
mouse and just move.
Yeah, but it doesn't stay there. If I hit this little arrow, it goes back out to the middle. On my other instruments, I can't remember how I did it, but I got it to stay over here.
I don't know. All mine's like normal.
I'll figure it out later. But anyways, there's MBT.
Smart money. Smart-money.trade. Oh.
I don't see it. I don't see any liquidity anywhere. Oh, maybe I'm zoomed way too far in. There we go.
No, so the iceberg indicator works off of the data from the CME. So it's looking at how the orders are actually tagged when they're executed. So if it's executed on the CME, yes. If you're trying to trade Bitcoin as a, crypto or however they trade it, not on the CME, then no, it won't work for that. This is horrible price action tonight.
Sniper, I think the simplest way I can put it is that if you're trading, you keep saying Bitcoin, but if you're trading Bitcoin futures, it's a centralized product just like all other futures, as far as I understand. And the iceberg indicator will work 100% with it. But if you're somehow trading Bitcoin on Bookmap, that's different. That's a decentralized thing. And so there's no way it can work properly. I don't even know if you can trade Bitcoin on Bookmap. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, I think the free version has crypto.
Oh, does it?
I think so. At least it did.
Sorry if I missed your message and you already clarified whether you're talking about Bitcoin or Bitcoin futures, right? The big difference. But the futures will definitely work with the iceberg, and yes, it's as accurate as the CME provides the data, like Mike was saying. Man, this is crazy.
I can't believe you still in that trade.
I should have taken my $100. I mean, how long have I been on here for? Because I was in that trade right away.
You've been in this trade for a hot minute.
Okay, I just looked at the timer on our remote session, and it's 1 hour and 48 minutes. NQ trying to pump up. All right. Let's go, Trish.
I'm happy with my 450 for the night now.
450.
Yeah.
Gold to the rescue.
Gold in the ES.
Where's silver at? I have a feeling I should have held that.
Oh, you should. It took out the low.
Oh, that would have been.
Hey,
like
it's down. It's back down by the low again. Hey, look at it. Pull up a chart of
Dude.
silver. Pull a chart back up with silver.
No.
Come on. Hey, you can make up for this NASDAQ trade easily.
No.
Hey, then we can all go to bed.
No. We don't have to wait for my trade, dude. Whenever you want to end the stream, I'm good.
I mean, I want to see how it finishes. Oh, hey, we just made a new low on silver.
Oh man, that would have been several $1,000 trade right there.
Yeah, but you're just good for break even. Actually losing a little.
Because remember, I had 2 contracts on that thing too. Oh man.
I got hiccups.
Oh.
You're long gold. I've been short gold tonight. I've been long gold. Gold got it back, but gold, first trade I took in gold got me. Gold in the ES got some of it back. I did 2 contracts on the ES and 1 contract on gold.
So you're not trading any prop accounts then, right, with gold? Because they don't.
No.
allow
No. Heck no, I'm not doing that.
Thanks, Coop. Appreciate it. No, I always forget what month is what letter. In Ninja, you don't need to know that, but on other platforms, you do.
First time I went to trade the ES, because I was used to Think or Swim, where you just put ES in, you could trade Sim. And I started trading futures. And I remember calling up TradeStation, I'm like, hey, it won't let me place a trade when I put on, because the ES, I could chart the ES on TradeStation, but it won't let me fire off a trade because I didn't have a month. I called them up and said, hey, this is messed up. They said, no, you have to put a month in. I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. All I do is type in ES on my other platform. It allows me to trade it. The guy was confused, like, what is this guy talking about? You have to have an expiration month. I didn't have a clue what I was doing.
Dang. You guys can see. Let me stretch it out. Let me just show you one more time what my indicator says. Don't trade.
Hey, so are you listening to your indicator?
No, I was in this trade a long time ago when the ATR was like, I don't know, $500.
Oh, hey, did you see what Tradeify did today?
What they do?
Or you can buy 5 accounts at one time now.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Or at least for the 25 and 50K accounts. I was like, well, that would help me out last time. Well, last time I bought the 50Ks. It would help me with the 150Ks I got now.
Apex needs to do that too. That's crazy.
Oh man, 20 accounts.
That's a problem.
Just one button. Oh, that's awesome. That'd be amazing. Oh, we're going down.
It looks like it's gonna come tag me for a 3rd time. That'll be 3 NQ losses tonight.
Hey, I did the same thing. That's why I quit trading it.
Oh boy.
When you started showing your screen, I'm like, I'll let Jesse sit in this mess. I took a gold trade. Gold trade got me. The first one got me. It's like, dang it.
I can't believe I'm only down $216 on the night.
Hasn't been going anywhere. Yeah, one at a time does suck. So at least for the all 25K accounts and 50Ks, and they give you an additional 5% off. So you can use the 40% discount, use code Mike, and then click the little box and you get an additional 5% off.
Does it actually work on? I know their example in their email only showed the smaller accounts, but I wonder if they've turned that on.
I tried it on the 50K earlier today. Other than actually putting the credit card info in.
Yeah. Oh, it's going to tag me right here. There it goes.
I'll have to have a moment of silence for your trade.
Yeah. That's 3 NQ losses tonight. Wow.
Let's go see silver again. I think silver made a new low. Hey, HSI is only up $7.
It got you, Trish.
Elevate life, dump it. Let's go. We're below VWAP on ES and NASDAQ. I do like the point of controls down below us to get hit tomorrow sometime, but tonight or tomorrow.
There we go. Stop filled. I just heard it.
Dang it.
Dang. All right. So I'm down 469 and 68 cents.
I was down. I got down. I started off up 350, 375. Went down minus 800. Now I'm up at 450.
But here's the beautiful thing about that. Like I was talking about that, I don't know, an hour ago, 2 hours ago, it seems like. But so I've had 3 losses and 1 winner tonight. Okay, that we'll just set the silver trade aside because that was like $100 I lost on that trade. But with
Close it in the green.
1 winning trade on NQ and 3 losing trades on NQ to finish up only down 469. Not bad. Not bad.
Hey, but
That
here's the better part. So tomorrow morning when you get your funded account with Take Profit Trader, you should be ready to go because now you just lost tonight. So you should be ready to hit it right out of the gate.
Yeah, sure.
I hope so. I'm hoping. Oh, hey, I got a story to tell you after we go off stream.
All right. Yeah.
It was pretty good.
I like a good story.
That's pretty good. I think it'll give you some hope. I think you'll be happy. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off. Are you good with jumping off, or?
There ain't nothing going on. It's too slow to. For a split second, I was like, I'm gonna go long again, but then I saw here. Let me just zoom it out one more time so the folks can see it. Right here, it says the ATR is only, what is that? $128. It says don't trade. Right? It's not worth it trying to make $128.
Yeah, NASDAQ had my number tonight on stream. I lost. I think every trade I placed in NASDAQ, I lost on.
Me too. Well, I had 1 winner, 3 losers.
Yeah, white boy, have a good night. Yeah, it was rough.
That's not normal for me. Normally, I'm about 2 and 2 or 3 and 2, something like that every day. So I'm handling it pretty well. I'm okay being down 469.
It does do good for your psyche when you know you don't have to be right such a high percentage to be, making money.
Yeah.
With you can lose more than you win or break it or 50-50 and still be up.
Yeah, I mean, with 3 losers and only being down 469, that first winning trade I had must have been a massive one. And maybe it was must have been this big rip up right here. I don't remember what it was, but it must have been a big winner to only be down 469 after losing 3 times. So I'm happy with that.
That's good.
I'm content.
All right, guys and gals. With that being said, I'm out of here. Hope you guys will join me on the New York session. I need to drop a link for that.
Yeah, let's put a link to the main channel. Make sure you guys are all subscribed over there.
Slacker.
Yeah, because I think we've had some new people hanging out tonight. So welcome to everybody new. Make sure you're subscribed on both channels.
There's a link for the for the main channel. For the second channel. There's a link for the main channel. I will tell you, doing the training for Costa Rica for surfing, man, I'm wore out at night now. All that paddling I've been doing in the pool.
Yeah,
that'll
get you.
So, all right, guys. With that being said, look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Take care.